Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by telling Autocad your intent. Set the file units to meters. Open units, choose decimal and set insertion scale to meters. Once done, set ins units to meters or run DW units to convert unit data. Make sure to save a backup now. You will need it if conversion requires reversing. These first steps align coordinate interpretation and insertion behavior, so blocks, xrefs, and new geometry will use meters consistently going forward. Next, verify existing geometry scale with dist or a measured object. If objects are in millimeters, scale them by 0. 001. If in centimeters, use 0. 01. Select all geometry, use scale with base point 0, 0 for uniform transformation, and enter the exact conversion factor so coordinates remain proportional. Once done, run region and check dimensions. Update annotative objects or reapply annotative scales to match meters. Finish by updating dimension styles and annotation scales to meters. Set text and hatch scales accordingly. Purge unused scales and run region to refresh the database. Verify xrefs and blocks, reload or rescale them if they still reference different units. If something looks huge or tiny, check ins units and the original file's unit source. That mismatch is the single most common error. As a quick fix, restore the backup and repeat conversion, steps with the correct conversion factor to avoid repeating issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.